So what do you get when you order a pack of our 1/2-inch permanent sheeted dots in our standard colors? We get a total of 1,200 of our permanent dots in 5 different colors, 240 of each. We got orange, green, blue, red, and yellow. And this is our dark blue. We also have a light blue available, but we'll talk about the different colors here in just a little bit. And yes, these are permanent dots, and they stick perfectly to just about any sort of non-porous surface. To apply them, you simply press it down and then press it for a moment. Now, these are permanent, but let's say I made a mistake and didn't mean to put that one there. This is what we call repositionable. Even though, yes, it is a permanent adhesive, within the first few minutes, it is repositionable. You can easily peel it up and there's not going to be any residue left behind. But let's say I really want this to stick. Well, I'm going to press it down pretty hard. And I've also been letting this one stay for a few minutes just before I started this video. I'm going to try to peel it off, and you can see it's already starting to rip. And it's going to leave some residue behind, I can tell. Yeah, I don't know if it's easy enough to see, but there's some sticky stuff left behind. Now, residue, normally not a great thing, but in our case, let's say we really wanted that to stay there. That is a good thing. That means that that adhesive is really stuck even after just a few moments. Again, you got 1,200 of these, and you can give them to various departments. One color to each department or a few sheets of each. Super, super versatile to buy them in sheeted packs like this. Another thing our customers like to do is to write on them. They ask if you can do that. And the answer is yeah, absolutely, but it depends. A ballpoint pen, like a free one that you get from a restaurant or a hotel or something, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Because of that plasticized paper coating that we have on it for extra durability, sometimes the ink just skips right over it, but sometimes it works like this. One thing we absolutely do not recommend is using a gel pen. That's just gonna smear right away. So please don't use a gel pen on these. The plastic and the gel just don't work well together. But a permanent felt Sharpie like this works great. Let it sit for a minute, let it wave for a minute, kind of like shaking a Polaroid. And you can see that one's not smearing. But the gel, it's even still smearing after this amount of time. So Sharpie, great. Ballpoint, depends on what kind of a pen you've got. Those are the best ways to mark it. Those are the best ways to adhere it. And if you need refills on any specific colors, we have these in rolls. We have them in dispenser boxes for easy removal as well. These are the permanent colors that we've been looking at. We've also got them in our specialty colors, earth tones, fluorescents, and metallics. You want one of these swatch cards? Just let us know. We've got them all over the site. Just request a free one today or request a sample of any of these permanent dots. We got you covered. Also, if you have questions about what is best to place these on, what kind of material you're placing it on, whether it's going to act like a permanent dot or not in various conditions, let us know. We've been doing this for 40 years, so we know all about color, adhesive, labeling, and finishing, and we'll be able to walk you through it. We're here for you every day, 800-256-0435, or hop on chat at ChromaLabel.com.